Untitled, so this is gonna be a powwow vlog. Me and my little sister Talise, we're gonna be going to Sugar Island. We just made it to Sault Ste. Marine. We're stopping at Walmart real quick because she has swimmer's itch, so we're gonna get some hydrocortisone so that we can put that on some of her rashes because they're starting to itch a lot. But the ride was pretty good. It was close to 3 hours to get up here, and then we're about to go on the ferry too, so I'll record that. Just like a very short ferry ride. Okay, so we're on the ferry right now. You can see a little bit. Let's flip the camera. You can see a little bit out here. Look at the sunset. It's so beautiful. Sorry, let's slow this down. Beautiful. Wow. Alright, so we've made it into our tent. It's pretty easy to put up because it's just like a little pop-up tent, but mosquitoes out here are like crazy. They're like eating us alive. See you guys tomorrow morning. Untitled, we are getting ready. Grand entry is gonna be in a little bit, so we'll update you guys later.
Hot dance, 4 spots. Come on out and dance and win a prize.
I feel like I didn't really get to record that much today, but we're ending the night with a 2-step and a hand drum contest. So we're back in our tent now. Look at the tan line that I got from today. It's freaking ridiculous. And then after first grand entry, we like drove around Sugar Island and we like looked for a spot to like at least rinse off, but like we did rinse off, but like the sand was all mushy and gross, so it was nasty.
You can see your little, like,
I know. The gel just made it spiky.
and I brushed out my gel.
She did. But we got some snacks from the gas station to leave. Anyways, I didn't get to film a lot from like earlier, so sorry about that. But I'll try to film some more tomorrow. I'm hoping I can because I have not made a vlog in a long time. So, and Talise is being all crazy right now, but that's okay. But yeah, we'll probably just watch a movie on my phone or something and then wake up early and pack up tomorrow.
Host drums, stand by for an intertribal spot.
Everybody, welcome to dance Intertribal. Want to see those bleachers cleared out over there? Come on out and dance with us. Intertribal, all peoples, all walks of life. Come and swing and sway the Anishinaabe way. Here at Zeus Backward, Minnesota.
If that doesn't make you smile, I don't know what will. All right, let's give all of our youth a big round of applause, some encouragement. They gotta go back to school in a couple months. So let's start again. Okay. I'm gonna give you a 5-second warning.
May want to spread out a little. You don't want to get mashed up.
They're so good. They're jumping and everything. Pros. Oh, they dropped it. Dude, this tan line though, it looks freaking holy. I'm gonna have to go like lay out in the sun tomorrow or something so that I can go away. But powwow is all done now. We're in the car, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm sorry I didn't get to record a lot. I've kind of just been scatterbrained, but I still want to post it, you know, there's still some good things. So anyways, thank you for watching.
We started a whole new sentence. But I hope you...
Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please like it and subscribe, and have a good rest of your week or weekend. Shut up. Okay, so we made it onto the ferry. I just want to include this, but look how tight. Like, there's cars right next to me, cars in front of me.